Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to find and fix broken link in WordPress website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in WordPress dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new. So we are going to install plugin. Then in search plugin, write broken link checker. So this is plugin broken link checker we will use. So click on install now and then click on activate it. So plugin is activated and scroll down on left side you see link checker and then you see cloud new, local, old. If you want you can click on cloud. Then you see pop up introducing edit link and unlink feature in broken link checker. If you want, you can activate cloud-based link checker for better accuracy and superior speed. So you can connect your account and then you see local. So click on it. Now scroll down, you see local, broken link checker and then you see all and then you see broken. So click on it. Now scroll down, you see broken link 404 not found, you see, and then you see status, link text, source, where you find this link. Now go to setting. Now scroll down, you see status, found, 15 broken links, and then you see check each link. So you can set time also, and then you see email notification. So you can do setting according to your requirement. Now go to broken links again and scroll down, you see source. So click on it. Now you find link here and remove it. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.